Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to decorate the April currently page in my classic dashboard layout, which is like my catch-all planner. And I'm going to use Celebrate and Life is a Party because April is my youngest son's birthday month. And so this is next week's video. Actually, when you are watching this video, you have already seen this plan with me. So I'm filming ahead of time. And I did go ahead and pre-choose my stickers, so this video probably won't be too terribly long. I'm not really going to white out a whole lot. I'm going to try to not make many changes to like the color in the background in this page or on this page. I'm just going to go with it. So I'm going to start with this banner and try to kind of corner it here without covering up my hole punches. And I've never really, I don't like that. I've never really used the currently pages, and I do want to start using them kind of like for memory planning. So we'll see how that goes for me. Let's try this. Let's see if this works a little bit better. It doesn't quite go all the way to the edge there. I'll see if I can't work around that. And then I have this Happy Day balloon sticker that I'm just going to put up in the corner. This is probably going to be a fairly quick video, but that's kind of what I'm aiming for, is quicker videos. So we've got Happy Day there, and then I think I'm going to cover up the important dates and stuff, so maybe I did tell a story about whiting out. I'm going to white out all this and put a sticker over top of it, so I guess I am whiting out quite a bit. I forgot about the box sticker that I was going to put here. Okay, so we're going to put this sticker here. Let's see. It's kind of hard to do this on camera. I don't know why I'm not used to it like I used to be. I guess because I took so much time off. Alright, and then what I'm going to do is take some balloons and come off the side of this box. So let's see, maybe do I want to come behind? I think I'm going to come behind the box, or make them look like they're coming behind the box. And just kind of cut this maybe at an angle. Not quite enough angle, so let's see. Let's see what I can do here. I kind of want the little tie to show, so that's cute. Alright, so there's that, and then I am going to try to coordinate some washi, and I do have some letter stickers. His name is Braden, so we're going to use his name in letter stickers, and these are the cute balloon letters that are in, I think they're in the Life is a Party sticker book. So we'll just put those together. And then we're going to put his name, and I'm not worried about it being perfectly straight. I want it to be kind of fun. So Braden, and then I've got IS. He'll be 14 April 30th. So we're just going to put Braden is, and then I don't have any like balloon numbers to match. So I had to go into my dates and holidays sticker book to grab the number 14. But it'll work. And let's see. I'll put that there. Alright, now, oh, you know what I was going to do with that 14? I was going to put it inside this circle so that it kind of looks like a decorative sticker. I think I'm going to move is up a little bit. just a little bit. Okay, that's cute. And then I've got a couple party hats that I thought would be cute to layer and maybe put down here in this corner. Don't want to cover up my hole punch because I really don't like repunching. Let's see if we can put the yellow one over top. Okay, that's cute. I think that whole sticker is crooked. My whole box is crooked. Definitely got to straighten this up. Okay, that's better. All right, and then I'm just going to kind of put a little bit of confetti in here and fill in with some washi. So let's see. Maybe put some there. And then maybe put a little bit around this box. Whoops. Okay, and then we'll put a little bit of washi at the bottom. So what kind of washi? I'd like to have something bright and colorful. Maybe like this, these dots. We'll see how this is going to look down here at the bottom. Just put it all the way across the bottom to fill in these gaps. Okay. Yeah, that's cute. And I don't think I'm going to add any more washi. I think that's enough. So let's put this back in my planner and see what it looks like. I think it turned out really cute. Pretty simple. So here is what it looks like. And like I said, I'm going to be using my currently page as like a memory keeping page. So that's my intention for now anyway. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram if you're not already following me. And if you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up button. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit subscribe and change your notification settings to all. So this is it. I'll see you guys on my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.